So I'm here to talk to you about question 2 on the maker's assignment. It says, in what ways can you specifically relate the steps, processes you work through during this activity to the framework you selected? And what I had to think about was, my problem was, how can I play cornhole when it's raining outside? Obviously, most houses, and I'm not saying all, but my house is too small to play cornhole inside. So I had to find a way to shrink it down. I was talking to my friends about this, which really ties into the collaborative process. Him and I always go back and forth about what's our $1 million idea, what's our newest idea. And I said, we need to find a way to shrink down cornhole. He goes, well, actually, I saw this thing online called Coinhole. And he sends me this link to this Coinhole. And it's this tabletop quarter bouncing game where you play as it is cornhole, but it's on a table and you're using a quarter and these small cornhole sets. I said, that's fantastic. So we went and looked to buy them. They were $30 a piece. I'm not spending $30 a piece for a couple pieces of wood. So I thought to myself, I can make this. Let's lay out what these people use, approximate the dimensions, and see if we can figure it out. So right away, we brought together this collaboration piece with me and my buddy who talked about this, and he showed me the site, or communicated with me, the other 4C, how to, he communicated how other people solve this problem. So other people communicated their idea, my buddy communicated with me, and we were able to collaborate and make a plan of how to build this. In the video and the images provided, I showed you that process of how to build that, and I hope other people use that and are able to build from my way. Using my method, I was able to build these for less than $4 or $5 a piece, which saved me a lot of money, and it allowed me to even make more of them to give away as gifts. I also want to talk to you with critical thinking. While building these, I stumbled into a few problems of boards cracking or the dimensions not being appropriate. So I had to go through a lot of inductive reasoning and trial and error to find these. I had to really have some grit to try and build a few times. Even though it took me about 20 minutes each time, I had to do it again and again, and eventually I found the right idea. So this whole act of critical thinking, which is another one of 4Cs, I had to really think, do I want to make them longer, taller, shorter? The boards keep cracking, how can I solve that? And eventually I had to reach out a few times and get help. And I said, well, my boards keep cracking when I drill through it. What can I do to solve this problem? And the internet actually responded with a unanimous, well, drill a hole prior to screwing. And that was a simple solution. All right, so these are the ways that the steps to my Coinhole project tie into the 4C model. Thank you.